What's up, guys? I am back. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You guys are awesome. Got some cool updates for you. Got a small favor to ask. And one of my last videos I mentioned, I've got these different things I'm working on, right? I'm working on my sports podcast, which you can check out if you're into sports. Please do. It's STB Sports Take. Simply the best sports podcast. I'll put a link in the description. You can go and subscribe if you're into sports. If you're not, don't worry about it. But I've got a new channel that I'm launching in conjunction with Tripio. Now, Tripio is the travel app I've been working on for quite some time now, and it's very exciting. I'm extremely stoked and anxious to launch it to the world for all of you guys to see. It's coming along quite nicely. And as you know, I was recently in Romania. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw a bunch of the stuff there. But I took a drone. It's actually a drone my brother Brandon gave me. So shout out to Brandon. I know all of you love him. He gave me the drone to test out this new channel that I want to launch here on YouTube, which I want you to subscribe to. You can see the link below in the description. It is called Beautiful Relaxing Scenery. Just that simple. Beautiful Relaxing Scenery. I need your help. I need you to subscribe to that channel now. And please watch my Romania video. It's very important. This is going to help me in a lot of ways. I know that some of you wanted to see all of my content on one channel, but as I thought a lot about it, I realized that they really are niche specific. This channel is more for personal stuff. I know one day you're all hoping that I'll get married. I'm hoping that too. This channel can be used for stuff like that, short clips for Tripio, personal life updates, vlogging, things like that. The sports podcast, Simply the Best Sports Podcast, that channel will be used simply for all of my sports content, my sports podcasting stuff. And then the Beautiful Relaxing Scenery channel will be used for strictly drone footage, very relaxing, just what it says, beautiful, relaxing scenery. So I won't appear in those videos, but I really need your help. I need you to subscribe because I need to get to 1,000 subscribers in order to hit this goal. And be able to use it in different ways to help promote Tripio. So the idea is that I want these drone videos to go viral. I'll be connecting them all to Tripio with the links, Tripio link in the descriptions, and it can help me promote the business that way. So you guys, I love you guys so much. You're so supportive of my family. You're so supportive of me. Thank you in advance for subscribing to that channel. Thank you in advance for watching the video on Romania. I think you're really going to enjoy it. I put a lot of time and effort into it. I'm not perfect at the drone yet. I'm getting better. I'm working very hard at it. And I'm not perfect at editing. I'm not as good as Jared. I'm not as good as Brandon. But I'm getting there. I'm working on it. And I really, with how much I travel, you guys know how much I travel. I'm always on the road. You've seen my Instagram stuff. I'm going to be taking a drone with me now. And I want to give you guys some of the most beautiful scenery you've ever seen. It's perfect for background at a party. I use it all the time. I'll put it up on the big screen TV as kind of just some nice ambiance vibes to set, at a party. It's great as background while you're at work, while you're studying, even when you're trying to go to sleep. It's very calming music and just gorgeous scenery. So I hope you'll enjoy it. I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll watch the Romania video. Many more to come. You guys are amazing. Please also like that video, comment on that video, the Romania one that is. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek here, but please check it out. Of what's coming. It's an incredible video. I hope you'll click the link below, subscribe to Beautiful Relaxing Scenery, watch the Romania video, subscribe, comment on the Romania video, like the Romania video, spread the word, tweet it out, Facebook link it, whatever you can do. I really appreciate your guys' help. It's going to be amazing. This is a new project I've been excited about for quite some time. Thank you to Brandon for letting me have the drone. And I hope to provide a lot more great content for you guys. We'll see you next time.